The 2020 megavolts Agusta Brutale Rush 1000. The last time anything like this came out of the MV Agusta factory gates was the RV's #1. Although it ran on a 3-pot 798cc Brutale platform, it showcased the Italian brand's intentions to continue creating specials for those who dream out of the ordinary. Carrying the steroid-pumped baton on, MV Agusta has produced another masterpiece that could have only been possible in the hands of their artisans, the 2020 megavolts Agusta Rush 1000. Since 2019, MV Agusta has been breeding a new line of 4-pot Brutales 1000s. Based on the same platform of the 2020 Brutale 1000 RR, this Strip Rush edition is an homage to the drag racing scene taken to the extreme. With a tuned-up 998cc churning 208 horsepower, this machine adorns visual cues and power figures unlike seen on any other production streetfighter before. Styling.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.